Hello my Ghanaian food family, we have a quick video for you on how to boil yam. It's a pretty straightforward process. Let's start. For the ingredients, we need our yam, rock salt, and some water. We start off by cutting enough slices of the yam. In my case, the end bit of my yam had gone bad. I sliced off that part. Peel off the brown skin along with a thin layer of the yam. Be careful with the knife at this point. Cut the slices in half. This will help it to cook faster. Wash the yam in cold water. Rub gently to remove any soil or dirt. Put in a pot with enough water to cover the yam. Add salt to taste. A teaspoon of rock salt was enough for mine. Cover and place on fire. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes. When a fork goes through, it's cooked. Turn off the fire and drain off the water. That's it. This goes very well with Kontomire Abom or sebe flour, that is garden egg stew. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment and share to support us. Thank you.